The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company.
Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So it's been a long time I shared a new video with you guys, and with you guys I don't comment regularly because I'm a little busy with my personal work. So if you have any questions, so you can just directly ask her in this group and make a post and ask her in this group, and make sure that you join this group for any kind of help. Okay, and in today's video here I'm gonna cover I'm gonna cover any tutorials or something, because already I have given some tutorials on a t-shirt related business. So you can just go to my YouTube channel and check out this t-shirt related videos where I have shown you guys that how you can do t-shirt marketing and make money from online. So now today I'm gonna give you 500 t-shirt designs what you can use in your videos. So here's the sample. It's already created. Just you have to place it in your marketplace design dashboard and create your t-shirts. So you can sell those designs on Fiverr, or you just if you want, you can just deliver your designs through the t-shirt marketplaces like Teespring or Viral Style, Sunfrog, T-Shape, Redbubble, like these websites. You can see here I just use Teespring here and upload the design and choose your color and create. It's very easy, and if you want, you can just a little modify and add some text in or symbol in the design if you want. Then the quick process, if you upload all those 500 or 100 designs in your store, so it will be a chance to get a sale if you do just a little SEO or market with your designs. So I hope it will be beneficial for you. There are 500 t-shirts, so I hope you like this, and make sure to like my video and subscribe and comment and share for more. So I'll put the link in video description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.